Hello guys, and welcome back to the TheFMStore YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to unbox the Lazada Parcel. First, let's check the packaging. It is covered with bubble wrap in green security seal tape. Alright, so let's open this one. And here's the second layer of protection, another fragile tape. Inside the box, there is another box and covered in bubble wrap, and also freebie. Yeah, there's a freebie. I love music. Alright, so this is a music earphones. Nice. And let's open this. So we have a sticker from seller indicating our item of purchase and the print date and the barcode, also with the tracking number, and the Redmi 10 2022 version. It is sealed and no sign of tampered or open area, so it is legit. And because this item is ordered from us, so we're not going to open this, so the owner is the one to open this box. So that's, guys, this is just a legit unboxing. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Peace.